video I'm going to brush the water wave hair to show you guys how smooth it is our hair. And before we brush the hair, normally I will spray with some water on the hair, and before spraying the water I already put some hair oil, the hair serum on the hair. This will help you to do the brushing easily, go through the curl hair. I will brush fast one time first, like this, and slowly I will. Now I brush slowly to show you this one. Like this. One more time. Look. So please follow these tips before you want to brush the water wave, even the deep wave and Italian curl. Spray the water on the hair first and put some hair on the hair serum. This way we secure without any tangling or shredding. You see, without any tangling shredding. So it's very smooth, this hair. After that, I will put the wigs on my head to show you how long it is. This one is 30 inch.